Today we are commemorating our modern Independence Day, the day we established independent East Turkestan Republic in Kashgar and Ghulja on the 12th of November 1933 and 1944 respectively. This is the day that Uyghurs demonstrated their determination for independence. This is the day that Uyghur nation showed their desire for democracy. This is the day that thousands of lives sacrificed themselves for independent East Turkestan. This day we have commemorated with great honor to our ancestors because this is the symbolic day of Uyghur independence and the day of setting spiritual pillars for Uyghurs. So it's the obligation for every Uyghur to remember and succeed the great spirit of our ancestors. Although great sacrifices made and thousands of lives lost for independence of modern East Turkestan Republic, without other nations' support and with direct interference and conspiracy of former communist Soviet Union, East Turkestan was invaded by China's Red Army and colonized on 22 December 1949. From that time, although Chinese rulers has applied various means of assimilation policies since occupation, they have failed in front of indomitable spirit of Uyghur nation. However, with the plumb, the depth of despair, China's government showed their true devil face and built up concentration camps to exterminate the whole Uyghur nation, where millions of Uyghurs are detained, humiliated, tortured, murdered, and forced to deny beliefs and cultures and Uyghur identity. To be short, an open genocide targeted Uyghurs is being carried in East Turkestan. We are descendants of a great nation that forced Uyghurs to build up Great Wall. We are the descendants of a great nation that has never been enslaved. We are descendants of a nation lived independently and freely. Although we have faced unprecedented genocide and become target of hideous crime of Chinese, we have resolution of regaining our independence, and we will fight for it until being fully independent. It depends on our consistence, sacrifices, endeavor. We have confidence regaining our independence because we are the descendants of the bravest, most righteous, most just democratic nation. Long live East Turkestan's independence. Thanks for everyone's attention.